A boy throws a coin. He is to receive 2 rupees for getting a tail and 10 rupees for getting a head. Find his expectation. Okay. So this is very easiest problem. A coin. A coin is tossing. Let capital A equal to getting head, and capital B is the event, getting tail when coin was tossed. In this case, P of A is equal to, since one coin was tossed, getting A probability 1 by 2. Similarly, getting B probability is also 1 by 2. Yes. For example, if you say X is equal to money earning, what is that boy will earn money while he tossing coin. So let us predict the chances for his earning, and then we will calculate his estimation. For example, there are 2 denominations they mentioned here. He received 2 rupees for getting a tail. So first we will write 2 rupees. And the next amount is 10 rupees. Both are positives only. Boy is earning. So it must be a positive quantity. That's why I wrote +2 and +10. If he is losing something amount, then we will mention with a negative sign. Okay, this is a tail case. For earning this 2 rupees, the chance was 1 by 2. Also, earning 10 rupees is also a chance of 1 by 2. Now we will moving to calculate the mean value. We know that it is sigma xi pi is the mean formula, and xi, you know that 2, that is the event xi, and pi is the chance for that event should be happen. The chance is 1 by 2. And the sigma indicates plus notation. That means we should together multiply the event and its probability, happening probability. And further, we will proceed to add them all the chances and all the events together. So next value will be 10 times of 1 by 2. 2 and 2 got cancel and 5. So his expectation was 6 rupees. Understood this problem? Next problem number 2. Sometimes it will happen. A game at a school fair cost 10 rupees. That means he has to pay this fees to participate in a game. 10 rupees he has to pay. Okay, keep in your mind that you already paid 10 rupees to participate in the game with a prize money of 50 rupees if the probability winning is 1 by 10. Okay. So it's a direct problem. So let us suppose A is equal to winning, and its probability was, they mentioned, 1 by 10. And prize amount is X is equal to prize amount. that X is equal price amount. Actually, he wins the game. The chance is 1/10. That's very low. Out of 10, there is only one chance to win. So what are the other chances? Losing chance is 9 out of 10. How to calculate this? Just by doing 1 minus P of A. We will get 9 out of 10 for this. And now X and P of X will be a making table. So X is getting 50 rupees. The chance for getting 50 rupees as a prize money, the chance is 1/10. And 10 rupees he already paid. That means whether in case he is not winning the game, the admission cost to enter into the game, that cost he will lost. For losing that 10 rupees, he has chances of 9 out of 10. Now we will calculate expectation, whatever you can say, mean, whatever. So both will be same, sigma xi p of. Ah, yes, 1 minus p of a. That's correct. Absolutely. X ante price amount. Very easy. This is a mathematical language. So that's why that one and this one is different. Always what is requirement, that will be always treated as capital X. Okay. And what's going on in the probability, that you can say events like A, B, C, whatever. Okay. So 50 into the chance for winning that 50 rupees is 1/10, and plus losing 10 rupees, which is the admission fee for the game, and chance for losing that amount. So that's why I said minus 10. And both got cancelled, and 5, and of course 10 got cancelled, minus 9. So it's not a fair game. Expectation is -4. That means it is advised to don't play this game. Expectation is negative. So that's why sometimes he will ask in the questions also, is it a fair game, or what you can say about a comment? As a comment, you can say it's not fair game. Right now, it is not fair game. Fair game means whether expectation is 0 or positive, then it is called a fair game. If it is negative, okay, of course, balanced game, not wins, not lose. Okay, it's of course fair game. He's not lose anything. Okay. And if he lose something, that means it's not a fair game. Then in that case only, it will be called not a fair game. And the problem number 3. In a certain village, families are strictly limited to 2 children. The probability distribution of the number of children of any given individual is as follows. 0 children, the chance for getting like this is 1/10. And for 1 kid having in the house is 50% chances. And 2 kids having is 0.4% chances. So find the mean number of the children. So directly, it is a direct question. So there is nothing to do here. Just copy the data. This is the working procedure to answer the problem. Write down number of children, 0, 1, and 2. And probability 1/10 and 1/2 and 2/5. Without lines also, you can write like this. And he is asking mean or expectation. And we have the formula sigma xi pi. So that means 0 into 1 by 10 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus event 2 into 2 by 5. If you see here, this is 0 plus 1 by 2 plus 4 by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 plus 4 2s are 8, 13 out of 10, 1.3. So expectation is in every house, the average was one kid must be there. That is the average. Next to problem number 4. Find the mean mu and variance sigma square, where sigma indicates standard deviation. Sigma indicates standard deviation and sigma square is variance. Variance, it is also indicated with V sometimes. Yeah, the distribution they mentioned, just write down like this, given x and p of x. 0, chance is 1 by 6, 1 and 1 by 2, 2 and 3 by 10, 3 and 1 by 30. First we will calculate mean mu. So sigma xi pi, that means 0 into 1 by 6 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 3 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 30. So let's calculate this number. 0 into anything is 0. 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 2 3s are 6 out of 10 and 3 got cancelled 1 by 10 times. So overall LCM was 10 and this is 5 plus 6 plus 1. 11, 12 out of 10. This is sigma square is called variance. Variance V is equal to, the formula was sigma xi square pi minus mu square. Remember, this is also mentioned as sigma square. Sigma xi square pi. This sigma is applied to this part only. Minus mu square is a separate term. Sigma mu square means 0 square into minus mu square s plus 1 square into its probability 1 by 2. 2 square into 3 by 10 and 3 square into 1 by 30. Minus mu square means mu already got, we got already it was 1.2. So that's why 1.2 square. So variance V or sigma square, 0 into anything 0. And this is 1 by 2. 4 3s are 12 out of 10. And this is 9 out of 30. This is 12 by 10 square. And we will do, we'll do later. This is 3 table got cancelled 10 times. For these 3 numbers, LCM was 10. And this is 5 plus 12 plus 3. Minus 12 square is 144 by 100. So V is equal to this one. 8, 20. 20 out of 10. Minus, you can write 1.44. And this is of course 2 minus 1.44. All from 9 and last from 6, 5, 0.56. This is the variance of the problem. Answer. Xi square pi. Sigma xi square pi. Minus mu square is also there. Problem number 5. Probability distribution of a random variable x is as follows. So just to copy the table, what they mentioned, 0.5 and its respective probability is k, 1, k square, 1.5, 2k square, and 2 and k. And we know that sum of probabilities is 1. We know that sum of probability equal to 1. So k plus k square plus 2k square. Yeah, yes, 3k square plus 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. We will split into two factors. Let us select the 3 ones, and this is plus and minus. So you can write 3k square plus 3k minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. And take 3k as a common factor, k plus 1 minus 1 as a common factor, k plus 1 is equal to 0. Now k plus 1 into 3k minus 1 is equal to 0. Whether k equal to minus 1 or 3k minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies that k is equal to 1 by 3. So k equal to minus 1 not possible. So k equal to 1 by 3 is the answer for the first question. First question, they ask like find the value of k, determine the mean of the distribution. Okay, second point, we need to calculate mean for this question. Write down the formula sigma xi pi. So check that events 0.5 into k plus 1 into k square, 1 into k square, and 1.5 into 2k square plus 2 into k. So this is 1 by 2 into k plus this is k square. 1.5 into 2 is 3, 3k square, and this is 2k. Now 4k square plus 1 by 2 in plus 2, how much? 1 by 2 plus 2, 5 by 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 into k. Now we will replace k value as 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 square, 5 by 2 into 1 by 3. So 4 by 9 plus 5 by 6. Now we will do LCM for 9 and 6, which is 18. 2 4s are 8 plus 6 5s are 3 5s are 15. So 23 by 18 is the answer, mean. Next question number 6. Okay. Okay. A discrete random variable x has the following distribution. So start writing like this, x and respective probability, which is 0, 4c square, 1, 3c square, 2, 2c square, and 3c square, and 4c and 5 2c. Find the value of c. So for the first problem, we will use sum of probability is 1. So we will write like we know that sum of probability equal to 1, which is 4c square, 3c square, 2c square, c square, plus c plus 2c is equal to 1. So count how many c square is there. 4 plus 3 plus 2, 10c square plus 3c minus 1 is equal to 0, which is minus 10, 5 2's plus and minus 2. 10c square plus 5c minus 2c minus 1 is equal to 0. And we can take 5c as a common factor. 2c plus 1 minus 1 is a common factor. 2c plus 1 is equal to 0. Yeah, 2c plus 1, not x it was. 5c minus 1 equal to 0. We will equate both the values. Either 2c plus 1 is equal to 0 or 5c1 is equal to 0. C equal to minus 1 by 2, which is not possible. It cannot be negative. Since it is probability, so it cannot be a negative. So 1 by 5, which is equal to C, it is the answer for the first problem. The next is asking find the mean. Okay, let's calculate mean. Mean is equal to sigma xi pi, that is equal to 4c square into, what is the number? 0 to 5. Okay. 0 and 3c square into 1, 2c square into 2, c square into 3, and c into 4 and 2c into 5. This is what sigma xi pi. So finally, first value 0, next 3c square, 2c square into 2, 4c square, and then c square plus 4c plus 10c. So totally 4 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10c square, and this is what 14c. And the c value, which is 1 by 5. So 10 into 1 by 5 c square plus 14 into 1 by 5. So which is equal to 10 into 1 by 25 plus 14 by 5. And we can cancel 5 table 2 times, 5 times. So overall LCM was 5. 2 plus 14, which is 16 by 5. This is what mean. Second problem answer. And we need to calculate next third part. Sigma pi xi square is 14. Find variance. And we already know that variance, the formula for this is sigma xi square pi minus mu square. He said sigma xi square pi. Actually, we should calculate that number. But he mentioned anyhow, which he says 14. So directly substitute that number 14 for xi square and pi of sigma. And mu value just now we calculated that one as 16 by 5 whole square. So 14 times, which is 256 by 25. And perform LCM 25. 25 14s are 7, 25 14s are 96. We should calculate 14 25s. 4, 4, 300. Okay. 4 5s are 20, 0 1 are 2. 5 plus 8, 13, 0, 5, 350. 350 minus 256. Let's subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. 31 minus 25, 64. 64 by 25. In 9 it is 94. 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay. 94 by 25 will be the answer. Problem number 7. Yeah. Okay. 1 second. No, nothing will happen. So problem number, find the mean and variance of number of hits in 3 tosses of a fair coin. Find the mean and variance of number of hits. So let us suppose x is equal to number of hits of 3 tosses of a fair coin. One coin was taken and 3 times it was tossed. So we will get the sample space like H, 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 T, H, T, H, H, T, T. That means we are fixing first coin with head and the remaining 2 coins. We are altering like H, 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 T and T, H and T, T. Next time we will fix first coin with T and we will alter the remaining 2 coins like this H, H, D, T, T, H and T, T, T. And we will create a table for this. Suppose number of hits is 0. For 0 hits means it's nothing but like all tails. So 1 of 8. One event is there. That is the only one event containing 0 hits. There is no heads in this event. So you can check all the events. First event HH is also having a H, but we need 0 heads. Second event HHT, and every event it has head as one of the event, but we require 0 heads. Let's count one head. Only one head you should have in the events. This one H and this is also one head. Yeah, 3 events like that. 3 out of 8 and 2 heads. Look, 2 heads. This one, 2 heads and 3 events is there out of 8 events. And 3 heads only one is there out of. This is the only one. So this is the distribution table. Let's calculate mean for this. So according to formula sigma xi pi. So 0 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 3 by 8 and 2 times of 3 by 8 plus 3 times of 1 by 8. Mean mu is equal to 0 into 1 by 8, 0. This is 3 by 8, 6 by 8 and 3 by 8. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 out of 8 and 3 by 4. I can cancel 4 table. 4 table, 3 by 2. 3 fours are 12, 2 fours are 8. Next, we will also calculate, we require also calculate variance. Variance V is equal to sigma xi square pi minus mu square. Xi square means 0 square into 1 by 8. 1 square into 3 by 8. 2 square into 3 by 8. 3 square into 1 by 8. Mu square means 3 by 2 whole square. Zero into anything 0. And 1 square is 1 into 3 by 8. 4 threes are 12 out of 8. 9 by 8 minus 9 by 4. So here all for the 3 numbers, 8 is the LCM. 3 plus 12 plus 9. minus 9, we will keep this 9 by 4 same. And this is 12, 12, 24. 24 out of 8 minus 9 by 4. 12 got cancelled 3 times. 3 minus 9 by 4. Again, we will perform LCM. 4 3s are 12 minus 9, which is 3 by 4. 0.75 is the variance. Next problem number 8. Two cards are drawn successively without replacement. Without replacement. These words are very important. Without replacement. Without replacement from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find mean and variance of the number of kings. So kings we need to calculate. So let x is equal to number of kings, king card. So x and p of x. Let's calculate 0. Successively, drawn successively. That means 1 by 1 without replacement. So he is drawing one card and throwing it away, and then he pick up next card from the pack. Let's calculate first one. If you separate the king cards from the entire pack means 52 cards there in that. And if you separate 4 kings, then remaining cards are 48 other cards. First we have to choose 48 by 52. Okay, throw it away that card, other card, and again also you need to select the other card. So 47 by 51. Next we will select, we choose next one. Next case, 1. So one card must be a king. So 4 by 52. 4 by 52, the work is yet not completed. So we should multiply because the task is to draw 2 cards. Only one card was drawn. So first king must be card in this case. And second card must be from the other cards. So 48 by 51. And also we will perform the same thing by selecting first card as the other card, which has the probability 48 by 52 multiplied by. So why we are doing multiplication? The process is yet not completed. And we will select the second card as king card out of 51. Because it is without replacement. Next, the last chance was drawing 2 cards as king cards. So 4 by 52 and 3 by 51. Two cards are drawn. Two cards we should draw. Yes. Yeah, king and other card plus other card or king card. These are the possibilities. In both cases, one king is there. But here, king only. This is no king, other only. Next, we will calculate mean. Mean mu is equal to 0 into 48 into 47 by 52 into 51. 1 into 4 into 48. Both cases, 2 cases is there. So 2 into 52 into 51 plus 2 times of 4 into 3 by 52 into 51. 0 into anything 0. And you could try to cancel this thing. Sixteen threes are 48, 17. So 2 16s are 32, 13 sevens are 21. And 4 got cancelled 13 times, and this is 17 times. So 2 by 221. So overall 34 by 221. This is mean. And variance and standard deviation also. Okay. Next we will calculate variance. Variance V is equal to sigma xi square into pi minus mu square. Sigma xi square means 0 square